This is the last video of my aunt's national air conditioner at my aunt's house. There's ducks right there, and some dogs right there, over there. This is my grandpa's bike. He offered it to me and he let me use it. Old stuff right there. There's the national air conditioner right there. I'm gonna show you the indoor unit. We're gonna get you the unit. Here's the indoor unit. It's the national air conditioner, the one I was recording outside. There's a control inside there. So you can put the fan speed low or high. The air swing is, you can put it off or on. There's a timer lamp. If you put it on manual on, if you put it on a manual on, you can only leave the thermostat in 6, but they usually run it for 4 hours. So there's some stuff, glass right there. So this is the last video of my aunt's national air conditioner at my aunt's house. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.